Hello guys, today I'm standing here with Dante.
What's up?
We're gonna do the 10,000 calorie challenge in approximately 15 hours.
Yeah, the awakening hour.
So the plan right now is to go into Willys, buy the stuff we need, almost everything we need, then eat a large breakfast because we haven't eaten anything yet. The rules are we can't drink any calories, so we're gonna have to eat a lot. That's it.
Yeah. It will be fun. See you guys.
Something like this. 260 calories per 100 grams. This is 450 grams. We're gonna go for frozen croissanter. Croissant. We've looked at the index for how
The satiety index. How filling the foods are.
okay, how filling the foods are, and croissant is like in the bottom lowest position. So
Very good. High calories, low.
our snack throughout the day is gonna be croissant and
Maybe some.
Nutella, like peanut butter, chocolate chip.
Still too far.
Where is the bia?
Men bia har vi redan sett.
Det är bara en.
Ja. Ska vi ta en till? Ta en liten. Så tar vi en som var.
24.
2000 kalorier.
Another béarnaise sauce. We got some at home, so.
Okay, so right now we're looking at the bacon to have it on our bread. Let's climb it up.
The challenge today is gonna be to track everything, so you can't sit and snack on something without counting the calories.
Ja, bra.
One package of bacon is 420 calories. Wilmer is the only one who usually buy his groceries in this store, so he knows his way around.
He's our human calculator as well today, so we don't have to think about that.
It's bro. 255 calories per 100 grams.
228, but it's a lot thinner and it's easy to just press that.
What's the weight?
It's.
This is 555. This is a lot more.
I can't eat two of those.
1.5 maybe.
How much is in
This cost?
this costs? Really, 445.
Oh, sure.
275. This is like 1,400 calories.
This is same. This is.
Yeah, it's the same. I think it's 520.
Oh, 520.
Yeah, and it's 275. Yep,
It's pretty good.
it's a good snack. Yeah, here we have nuts. Let's go with some nuts because they are nuts.
400 grams of peanuts.
Take it easy guys. I den här är 540. Jag ska ta med den. Den här är 310 kalorier.
Go to whenever it comes to a lot of calories, so we're gonna take
This
one
one
each.
is 310 for 100. It's more. And
Oj,
it's
vilken då?
peanut butter. Let's put in 2 of this in the cart.
Yes.
And then we have a lot.
Keep rolling.
Keep rolling.
We need Nutella, we need peanut butter, we need... Okay, mission find Nutella. Sylt.
Yeah, we found the Nutella. Let's go. In this one we have about 3,000 calories in only this one.
We're gonna have to weigh everything, so it doesn't matter how big the packages are.
So we can be accurate. You get the best, get the accurate
Wilmer
result.
is out to find cheddar cheese. I think that's everything that's left.
Yeah, I think we're
Seems like this is not
pretty done.
everything though.
Maybe we'll have to take a trip
This
to...
is not 10,000 calories each.
No,
I don't think it is.
I think we'll have to go to McDonald's for one meal. Yeah.
So we have 17,780 calories, which is 2,000 from enough. And we're gonna fix that. It's okay. Cheddar cheese, where are you?
Here's the cheddar cheese. It's 416 per 100.
Whoa.
But this is 150, so...
It's gonna go on the breakfast toast with the bacon and all that.
We'll skip that. We only have croissants left, and then we're about finished. 8 croissants. Show them to the camp. Yes, this is our challenge. With a lot of Nutella.
We ran half a marathon yesterday, so I'm gonna sit here and just take a minute. I'm getting very hungry right now, so let's get home and start the day with the breakfast. At the moment, we're too hungry to wait for the other food, so we're gonna start off with some peanuts.
About 50 grams is the plan. Yeah, about there.
51 grams to start off.
Wait, wow, 69.
Men det, nej men det är lugnt, det är lugnt. Jag kan ta det. Okay, Wilmer, Dante has 50 grams of peanuts. Hugo Jensen has 70 grams.
And after this we will make the toast with a lot of mayonnaise and bacon. And cheddar cheese.
Första måltiden. Minifrukost innan frukost. Nej, engelska för helvete. First meal, breakfast before breakfast. Starting to do our breakfast here, and make, cook, whatever you say. We're gonna toast the bread in the oven because we don't have any toaster, which is a shame, but it's okay. Here we have the bacon, the first package. We got 3 more to go. Okay, breakfast is getting close to done.
Yeah. Toast is ready.
Wilmer just read about the rule of getting the science behind getting full. So it takes about 25 minutes. So we're gonna aim for every meal being about 25 minutes, so we're eating enough in that gap so we don't realize we're full yet. But now we're gonna do the breakfast.
Spreading mayonnaise on top of the toasted toast. And then we're putting about a package of bacon on each.
I'm thinking of maybe 1800 calories.
I believe the breakfast is, I think it's a lot. I think 1900 calories.
So this is the regular breakfast in Sweden. This is what we eat every day. We have 4 pair of toasts, and those are the toppings are Hellmann's mayonnaise, 83 grams I think I got. So and then
I have 84.
2 packages of bacon, concluding 280 grams.
Yep. And then we have on top the bacon. We have half a pack of cheddar cheese, and that's about 70 gram each. I would say 75.
Yep.
Yeah.
Right. So now we're gonna eat, and then our friend here is gonna reveal the total number of calories.
Yep.
Men 100k på onsdag, det är ju med på.
Ja, det är jag med på.
Hallå, har ni hittat någon rutt eller?
Ja, men Ilja löser det alltså.
Ja. Halfway into the breakfast. Not hungry anymore, but not quite full. So we will keep going.
Yeah.
No giving up. That's not our mentality. We have soon eaten up our breakfast, our first meal of the day. I'm going to take my last bite, and Dante has maybe 2-3 last. I don't know. Skål på er.
So
We say skål in Swedish. Swedish. Delicious.
So we are preparing some croissants with Nutella for the guys. And hopefully that will fill them up some more. So for your after breakfast snack, you've got 100 grams of croissants with 60 grams of Nutella. Enjoy.
Okay, let's go. Okay, before continuing our post-breakfast meal, Wilmer here, our calculator, is gonna let us know how much we just ate.
So you want me to reveal this? Hugo, you have eaten 3,196.87 calories. If you eat this up.
if you
And Dante, 3,053.35.
Alltså det här är bra. Ja, det är bra.
Let's go, boys. Good start.
So about
But it feels,
30% done. When this is finished.
Ja, det är ju
But we feel it. We feel it a lot.
we're getting... what time is it?
15:10.
Okay, we got 10 minutes till the gap of full feeling is coming along, so we're gonna just wrap it up.
Get this done.
At the moment it feels kind of easy, but I've seen a lot of YouTubers before doing like 2,500 calories for breakfast and then running into the wall.
Yeah.
So they say, you know,
It could be like that, but we're going strong at the moment.
going strong. Oh, now we're done. Crazy.
Not me, but sooner. Okay, this is my last bite, and then we will go to the gym.
And what we're gonna do on the gym, maybe some bench press.
Yep.
We like bench press. Even though I do CrossFit, I like bench press. Every guy in the world likes bench press. Fan, jag kan inte prata, vad helvete. Bench press.
So the guys are headed to the gym, and I thought, why not give them a bit of a snack? 100 grams of peanuts.
Okay, Right now we're at the gym. We're snacking on some
peanuts, and we're gonna do a workout with some bench press, some back. Yeah, and this is about 600 calories.
Starting off the session with a bit of biking.
Yeah, burning calories.
Aiming for 200 cals at least.
We have now done about burnt 300 calories on the machines, and now we're gonna do some lat pull downs for back. I'm a bit tired, but it's great.
Okay, I think we're getting to the end of this workout. Very hard to work out, feeling almost a bit sick, which is tough because we have 2/3 to go. But we will just not think about how we feel and just keep moving. We're gonna get into the locker room, eat our last peanuts, and then go home, I think.
Maybe do some, go into the sauna and burn some more calories.
Yeah.
Yeah, right now 4 hours and 50 minutes into the challenge.
I'm at like 3,800 calories. This will add about 1,000 calories. This is one pizza. We're thinking of 2 pizzas, maybe 2.5 pizzas.
Yeah.
With some added bearnaise sauce on top. It's gonna be a lot of calories. 2.5 pizzas with some bearnaise would conclude in like 2.5 maybe. I don't know, we have to ask Wilmer, he's coming soon. So we're gonna eat this, watch a series, maybe take a nap because we're getting kind of tired of all this eating. Jag kan inte ta det för fort här i slutet. I won't take it too fast in the end because then I might slip over, you know. The boiling water is boiling over. Vad säger man? Vad säger man?
Kappisfyll, nej jag vet inte. Nej.
Ja, skitsamma. Shit the same. Katt.
Good.
Där då. Now 2 pizzas done. Only 25 grams of bearnaise, but okay. Dante has some left, so we'll kick back when he's done.
Yep, last bite now. And then 2 pizzas down. Oh.
Okay guys, you want to know your total calories?
Yes,
sir.
So you go 5,787 calories.
Okay, that's fine.
And Dante 5,969.
Great.
How do you feel? Full?
A bit full, but not damaging full yet.
Okay. So about 4,000 to go.
Yeah, we'll manage that. Yeah. Oh, nej, nu slår jag ut.
So now we're preparing a afternoon snack for the guys, which is 1 Ben & Jerry's each, and that would be 1,317 calories each.
What shall we say then? At the moment, we're doing our probably 5th meal, 4th maybe.
Yeah, something like that.
It contains of a whole pack of Ben & Jerry's.
Peanut butter cup.
Peanut butter. There's a lot of peanut butter taste right now, but that's just the method to eat a lot of calories. And
This one contains about 1,300-ish calories. So it will be good.
so we're still moving forward, and no signs of quitting yet. Okay, we're very close. Couldn't be much closer, but now it's starting to hit me here, so we're just gonna take a few minutes. Oh, I don't really. We said 5 minutes. How many minutes have it gone?
5.
Past 5?
5.
Oh, then we're gonna eat the last bit of the cake. Oh,
Last supper. Go. One little fucking peanut butter cup left. Åh, fy fan vad äckligt. Nej. Tryck i den. Okej.
Japp.
Done. Dante has just a little bit left.
Yeah, so I didn't make the ice cream. It was super hard, but I'll have to eat something else later on. Yep.
Now we're on our way to the lake around here to take a quick sim before heading to McDonald's for our dinner. Not the final meal, but we're getting very close. We just burnt a few calories on the bike.
Yep.
I did 250 and
I did about 150.
yes. So.
Right now at McDonald's, we've ordered 2 triple cheese and 2 big fries.
This is all I got left from my 2 triple cheeseburgers here at McDonald's Hägernäs. Then I got all these fries. Just finished my dinner here. Wilmer get a snack, McFlurry. Dante get some
More double triple cheese left.
but soon we're gonna take off from here, and at that moment we only have, I don't know, we're gonna put it on the screen, as you say as a YouTuber, but I don't know, a bit more than 1,000 calories maybe, and that ain't gonna be a problem for us. Mr. Dante here is gonna eat the last few fries on the go. So now we're leaving this magical place. Of course, everything that goes in gotta come out.
Nej, det här var inte.
Jo, berätta,
Jag
det är
satt
kul.
och bara, han bara, du vad gör du? Vad gör du? Va? Nej, det finns en pizzeria, kom. Det finns en pizzeria.
Du kan aldrig visa det, ja.
Det var där jag bara satt på alla 4. Och vart fan kommer det ifrån ljudet? Jag bara...
After dinner has been served, Hugo has eaten 9,252.37 calories, and Dante has eaten 9,005.45 calories. So
1,000.
about 750 to go and about 1,000 to go. So just about 2.5 hours left to.
Yes, the time is 21:32, which means we're finishing off 24:00, and this is the time we went. I'm getting tired, as you see, but it's not gonna be a problem. Okay, now we're taking our last couple of chips.
Yep.
For this calorie challenge. To sum it up, we're gonna leave all the details on the screen. And for me, I've just took it easy for the last hour. So ups and downs, but quite easy. Quite easy. Dante?
Yeah, we started high, and about lunchtime it was quite rough when we had the workout, but later on it started easing up and becoming much easier than before.
That's the last bit from our little challenge. Let's go.
Let's go.